bop, beep bop, scratch by Sean. Let's get started on Scratch 3. Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of the channel, and today we will be talking about the control blocks. Now let's see what we can find out in this. Now this is a pretty long one, so we'll probably be here for like about 10 minutes, and I hope you guys don't mind. But let's just see what these blocks do one by one. I'm sorry. Okay, so wait 1 second. Now this, as the name suggests, means wait 5 seconds or more, and then do what's going to, and then do what other line of code there is on the other side. Like wait 5 seconds and then move 10 steps. Let's actually put the flag clicked. We'll see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see that? And that's what it does. Now I'll just leave it here for now because there's something else I also want you guys to see later. So when the flag is clicked, wait 5 seconds and move 10 steps. As the name suggests, you have to wait 5 seconds before doing the next line of code. This block, repeat this many times. We can change the number to like 100, 111, 10. We'll just stay with 10. Then whatever line of code you put inside, like this one, you will have to do it 10 times. Meaning you have to wait 50 seconds, but you'll also move 100 steps. But this will do like in this. 5 second wait, then 10 steps, 5 second wait, then 10 steps, 5 second wait, then 10 steps, and until you do 100 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just change that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last round. 1, 5, 2, 1. Move. I am so surprised that it is still moving. Yep, and that's it. And that's what the repeat block does. And what is the forever loop block does? Well, the forever loop block does whatever you put inside, it'll keep on doing it forever. I'll always do it, no matter what. Watch this. The flag is clicked. Now it's pretty annoying, so I'll stop it right now. And that's what this forever loop block does. And that's what this forever loop block does. Let's get back to the controls. And whatever you put inside, it'll always do that forever. And you cannot put something else at the end of it. Also, there's a glitch in Scratch program where you can actually put a block after it. Like, let me try to recreate that. That was a glitch. Okay, I might not be able to create it right now, but that's what it does. Okay, here is, if this happens, then do whatever's in this loop. This is the blocks that look like this. I should have mentioned this earlier, but blocks that look like this will mean that it is a loop block. And what is a loop? It means you will have to do it again and again. Or an if statement block, where if it is, if the conditions are whatever it is it's supposed to be inside here, then do whatever's inside here. And you can put anything in that. You can't put anything in that. Why did that not work? And you can always put something that looks like this jacket thing into it. You cannot put these round things inside it. You can only put the ones that look like a hexagon in it, like a very long one. Get out. And we'll eventually talk to sensing ones in the next episode, but right now we'll just stick with this. And just remember that. This one is a bit more interesting. It's an addition to this block, but it's a bit different. Now, if this happens, then do this. But if it is not happening, then do this. Now, let's just see it in motion for right now, for all I care. If, don't know how am I going to show you these. Okay, I might need to do one early thing, touching the mouse pointer. As you know, as the name suggests, this is an early preview sensing lesson. I just hope you guys don't mind if this is happening. Then play the sound meow until done. If not, say meow for 2 seconds. Say meow. Let's just create this very simple piece of code. This is an early one. I just hope you guys don't mind that I'm doing this for you guys. What's this? What the heck? Why is it not working? Play some meow until it's done. Oh, yep. Oh yeah, I have to put in the infinity loop. Always remember, if you want this program to run until you press stop, then put all the program inside the forever loop. And let's just stop it right now. And that was just an example. We'll eventually get into more deeper coding into this. Now, that's that. Do this. Wait until something that we put in this in here happens. After you do, until this something what happens inside here, as it describes in here, happens. Wait until that happens, and do something else when it happens. And then repeat. And this one, a loop block, means it repeats until something happens. Something that is described in here happens. And until that happens, do this forever. This is a stop all program. This stop all, as the shape says, says that you cannot put something at the end. You can only put it in the front. You can only put it at the front or inside of it. Now this program is this. It says stop all. It says stop all the whole program. You can select to stop this script. This script is the line of code that this block is inside, or other scripts in the sprite. It will stop everything else in the sprite except this line of code. That's what this block does if you select that. But if you press all, it'll stop everything, including this one. When I start as a clone, now you probably know what clones are. They're like evil mad scientist clones, like that like Peter Parker was cloned and then bam, Peter Parker killed himself. When I start a clone, this means that after you start a clone, actually this block is pretty much needed here. After when you create a clone of yourself, then that means you just create multiple versions of you. I just forgot how many times I clicked it. Yeah. When you start a clone, delete this clone. And let's just put this in. Wait 1 second, delete this clone. Watch this. Okay, let's go to the random position because that does not make sense. See? It happens like this. This is what you get. When you create a clone of yourself, you have to put this one as you make for the other clone sprites. Other fake sprites would do. What the other fake sprites would do. And let's stop it because it's getting a bit ridiculous. And also a note here. After you start this, only the original sprite will remain. Let's get into control again. And I pretty much showed you all of the orange blocks, all the control blocks. And now that you're there, congratulations! You got a degree of control blocks. And now, from now on, in the next 4 episodes of sensing operators, variables, and blood blocks, they will be more difficult as they will have more, what should I say, intensity. So I hope you guys are ready for more and harder subjects. See you then. Shunan out. Peace. Scratch, 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 scratch.